Hello there. Today I'm going to show you the best way how to mark a line to cut this in a piece. So you can do it regularly with your pencil or with this marker tool, but today I'm going to show you the best method how to do it. You need to get yourself this kind of rasp tool and this one, as you can see, doesn't have a needle on the front of it, so we will make it like a needle to make a perfect marking line. So you will need your angle grinder, eye cover, and protection for your ears. Always use it. As you can see, this is a needle side. So let's try to mark a line. So here is the line, and you can't delete it, erase it, or whatever you want to do it with it. The line is here, it's in the perfect size. So this is the perfect tool for marking a line on metal parts, what you want to cut. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something.